guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Dodge Journey, which is the same as Fiat Freemont, and we'll show you how to remove and replace engine mount. Okay, stay with us. We're talking about a passenger side engine mount. That's what we'll be doing guys today. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Quite a few videos will be made. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So, if the engine mount is bad, what will happen? You're going to feel some vibrations, okay? You'll feel like vibrations, especially under certain conditions, idle sometimes. You definitely feel like, kind of like the dash vibrating a little bit, like the engine being out of balance, so that's because of a bad mount. Now, we'll show you guys, okay, let me see how it's better with the light or without the light. I think with the light, how to replace that engine mount. This is the mount right here, okay, you can see, and this is what goes bad. Okay, sometimes it will unglue, sometimes it will fall apart. First thing that we need to do, we need to get a jack, guys. Okay, we need to get a jack, and we're going to support the engine, okay, underneath on the oil pan with a wood block. Okay, so that's what we're doing now. Okay, a little bit more. One more time. Because that engine is pretty heavy. Actually, it's dropping a little bit. So now we need to remove a few bolts. We're going to start, okay, with these bolts here, 1, 2, okay, and we have 3 bolts there. Okay, those are with 15mm socket, or 16 actually, my bad, 16mm. And then we have that ground wire, okay, that we'll need to disconnect. We have 1, 2 nuts. Okay, those nuts, they look like they're with a 13mm, so we need to get 13mm as well. And if you do not support your engine, it's going to drop, so that's why we're doing that now. So 16mm socket, we'll go ahead, take it off now. All the parts and tools that we use guys will be listed in the description of the video below. Okay, perfect. Now let's go ahead and see if we can take them off. On the last one you have to be very careful, because the engine might start dropping, so you need to pump the jack up. Okay, if it starts dropping. 1 bolt out, 2 more to go. Okay, this one goes slow now. Okay, we need to jack the engine up a little bit more. Okay, right there. Perfect. Now we have 2 nuts, and that wire that we'll need to disconnect, this is a ground wire. Okay, and the wire will actually not disconnect it. I'll show you why, because we'll just flip that part over, I think. Okay, one is out, one more. Okay, now if this one doesn't come off, come on the back side here. You can actually remove that bolt here on the power steering reservoir. Okay, let me show you. There is 1 bolt, and pull that thing up if you need to, but okay, 1 more nut. So let's grab that piece now, pull it out. Okay, we'll just leave it there. Now this is your guys' engine mount. It has 2 bolts, one there, one on the back side, okay, right there. that we need to remove, so that's what we need to do next. Okay, and this one is 15 millimeter. Okay, this one and the one, okay, over there. You can see how we have the stress marks here. Okay, this is definitely has some wear on it. Okay, pretty tight. Perfect. One is out. Long bolt, and one more here. This one here now. Alright guys, and this is the engine mount. That's how you guys removed it. You can see replacement is in reverse order. We took it apart. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel guys for more videos, and see you next time.